Hi, this is Arvi and welcome to my channel. This is the first tutorial in the series of tutorials related to embedded system. Today I am going to blink a LED after each 1 second delay. So let's start with two IDEs, that is Key and Proteus. Okay. So we are going to run Proteus. A Proteus is a type of integrated development environment in which we are making some virtual environment or virtual circuit to test our real hex file, or we can say we can check our programs. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to click on P. P stands for pick from library, and then 8089C51. That will be 8051 MC. Okay, okay. Let's show it. Uh, that's fine. You can easily see I place a 8051 IC on the my dashboard, and now I'm going to select LED. Uh, LED, okay, and then okay. I'm going to connect LED on the port 2.0, and the next thing is ground. Okay, the other cathode end will be ground. Okay. So minimum circuit related to my blinking program has been drawn. So let's start with the next IDE, that will be key. Okay. Key. Uh, First, I'm going to select project, new microvision project, folder, LED underscore blink. LED will be the project name. Okay. Then the next thing is I have to choose our device, that will be 8089C51. Okay. Now the next dialog box has been opened, which tells me to copy startup code to the project folder and add to the project. Okay. If I'm going to make my project in embedded C, then I have to select this code and click on yes. In other way, if I'm going to make this project in assembly language, then I'm going to select no. Okay. Now right now I'm going to use embedded C to start. Okay, I select a blank page and I'm going to type my code, that will be just 51.h. Now notice this header file. This header file is used to control 8051 microcontroller and widely used. So I select this. This has the predefined functions which are required to control the 8051 IC and system. And then I'm going to use SPIC data type and going to exhaust 0. SB data type is generally used to provide a bit to a label. I'm going to connect port 2.0 with the LED, so I make a LED label in it. Okay, now sorry. Now I'm going to make a function which provide me some delay. First, we have to make int I, nested for sorry. I is equal to 0. I will be less than t I plus and then nested looping. So I will do this and this another for loop. J is equal to 0. J is less than 12,095. J plus plus. Okay. So that's it. My delay function has been coded, and now I'm going to start word make, and then I'm going to make LED into output port and then LED is equal to 1. That means I'm going to on LED. Now LED is 100 and LED, I would copy it and then paste in my industries and then that's it. My code has been coded and then I'm going to save it. File, save, led.c. C would be the extension, and then I'm adding it to the source code. LED close. You can see that LED has been copied in source code one. Okay. Now click on project, option for target one, output, and click on the create text file. Okay. Okay. Now I have to translate build and rebuild here. Then lastly, I'm going to check my this hex file using virtual circuit. Double on that and editing hex open. Okay, and ping it. You can see that LED is now blinking after each 1 second. We can reduce or increase this delay using, if I want to provide a delay 0.5 second or 0.5 second. Now I'm going to deliver on this thing and changing it into 50, 100, from 100 to 50, and then translate, build, rebuild, and lastly yo, and then play it. Okay. Now you can easily see blinking is reduced by 0.1, 0.5 seconds. Okay. So that's it. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and do share.